Good morning, traders. We're going to check if I'm live. How's everybody doing? It's Monday, January 5th. We're doing the paper challenge to 30,000. I hope everybody's doing well. Hopefully we'll hear good news today. I'm waiting just to see if we have live. And we'll see. I want to talk about this every morning. This is right before we open. You kind of want to look at the. This is one of my, strategies that I like to use. If these are narrow range and tight, I like to take them either long or short, depending where it opens up and where the gap is. So this is one of my favorite plays right here. Always look for, like, I have the 21 SMA, the 8, and the 200 SMAs, the simple moving averages. If they're all tied up together, what do you think is going to happen? And all this is tight. We're going to have like either a move up or a move down, and possibly might have a follow through. So we'll see how this developed this morning. But this is one of these trades that you look for at the open only, and you wait the first minute and let the bar develop. I believe it's going to shoot all the way to here. One shot if they give it to us. But usually, like for paper money, they don't give it to us. Just disclaimer, guys, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is not a financial advice. Your trades are your own. So, and we're doing a 30,000 challenge paper trading to see if we can make 30,000, not risk our own money, and be very strict on the method we use. I try to risk 2% of my account to 1% most of the time on my entries and exits. And we're starting with a $100,000 account, leverage account, paper account. Hopefully, we'll go live after we accomplish the 30,000, and we get one method. Two strategies. There we go. Google opened up there, so that's a good sign. I like it. We'll see how that develops. Of course, Google is a monster, so we need to monitor our risk on these entries. I like this. If they give it to me, I'm going to enter it. Just get my foot in the water. I'm going to put 100 share in. See, there's a little delay on the papers too. I'm going to try to re-enter it again. And I'm going to put my target right here. Okay, I'm going to enter another one. Because this have a gravity to go up. It's in a good spot right here. Hopefully. Good morning. See how Google does right here. She's going down, but the freaking thing is not moving. Oh my god. It's drama. Now it moves. I'm gonna reduce my risk on this if it goes below this bar. And I'm gonna put my stop right here at 100. Because this is a big move. Hopefully retest this will exit one. Looks like it needs to clear this bar right here. If not, you gotta wait on it till it develops. The more it should go up, it shouldn't go down, so. The odds are that will go up, it's not gonna go down. You know how this market, everything changes. The correct position it should be right here. Your stop, but it's massive. I can't take that much loss. It's not within my risk. But if if you can put it right here, you can put your stop right here, but it's literally $4 or $5. I don't know, that's a lot of money. Just thinking about it. About Nvidia. Nvidia gapped up, dumped down. Hood. MU still gapping up. MU had a massive $30 move on Friday. Wow, it's still going up. Here comes MU. Actually, I was looking at Hood. I thought I pressed MU. Hood is crashing. See SPY. SPY gapped up. No movement. SBX. Kind of. No man's zone. AMD. Like Uber. Uber looks good. Uber looks good for a short. Minute it reaches this bar, we can short it. I'm gonna start a position on Uber. I'm gonna layer more orders. This is a good play on Uber if we get it. Ah, Google. Wow. Let's see if I'm gonna see if Google can respect these lines right here and go back up. If it takes this red, I might re-enter another one right here. It needs to break this red right here. It's thinking about it hard. Google is taking its sweet time. Kind of filled up the gap here, so if it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. If not, it's gonna crash. But it looks good on all the indexes, so. Just gonna give it right to here. It looks like they're gonna short the living hell out of this thing, man. It's not doing anything. I'm gonna let it develop if it's gonna crash underneath this. See what happened with Uber. Uber is getting close to our. I'm hoping it goes here and it crash back down. We get display. Usually when it climbs that hard and you got all this resistance here, it crashes back. If we can get it right to here, it'd be like $1.40. That's why I load up here all the way to the 200. You look at Google. breaks this bar right here. Shoot back up here to our target. I reduce my, like I did damage control right here. But there's no reason to stay in this if it goes below this. We don't want to risk another $400 or $500 on this play. I'm now risking $103. Looks like it might retest the bottom here. And even like continuing going down, you see this one right here, it went up almost 50% right here. It usually shoots up to here, that's what I was hoping for. Even the stalls right here. See how we are like on the third bar right here? And this thread haven't been taken out. Zero accomplishment right here. It needs to break this bar to prove that we're going up. If not, we need to exit this position. Because these three bars did not accomplish nothing. Let's look at Uber. They're still playing around here. Take my first profit right here on Uber. Put another profit. Here, 81. That's not bad. Take some here too. Give it to us. Be nice. Let's see if it goes back up. Let's go Uber. It'd be nice if this one dumps and this one shoots up, Uber drops. That would be the perfect scenario. It is right here. This is our line to break, guys, right here. If it pokes through it and it dies, we're gonna eat the $300 loss. average is 317.93. So there we go. This is a true test right now. Here comes the poke. Let's see, is it gonna die or continue? That would be the main question. Right now we're at break even right here. This is the critical point right here. Goes up to here, we might get our money back. Couple of tail bars right here. Just put a stop right here. Broke this. We're done here. Let's go up to here. Let's see Uber right here. I'm gonna put my stop got above that 200. See how it develops. I really don't want to give Google any more room because it didn't accomplish anything here. It's still going with that short. It might continue up, but I don't want. I don't want. I don't want to take another $2 loss. That's another $200. So it's either gonna stay up, keep going. It needs to keep going. The right direction is going up. It's kind of tight. The stop is tight too. I'll move it right here. So just give it the benefit of the doubt right here. It's just a grind this morning, a slow morning. I completely forgot. Actually, usually, like after the holidays, the the market goes into this weird mode, like no follow throughs, weird weird things happens. I got hit on Google, but it's just the stop is massive, you know. It's just don't like that stop. Extremely choppy, yeah. Especially after the holidays, try not to trade as much. If this one works and it gets our money back, this Uber trade, I'm taking it short. I'm taking it short, so we'll see how it goes. See this massive red bar? You got the 200, we got the 21 to 8. So I'm hoping it shoots down, but that's what it should do. See, I got two more orders all the way to the 200. And I want to see if it does it. Let it play, see if we can catch something else. Amuse no trade. SPX. Wow. CMD. Same thing on AMD. All the green bar turns into red. Nothing solid. Nvidia. I would love for Nvidia to go more down here and hit this 200. As of right now, no trades, nothing. BFC is rallying, but I don't like it. So far, Uber looks good if it follow through on that drop. Just retest this bottom right here. And it might fire back up and just hit our stop. So usually after a long holiday, that's what happens in the market. They chop, 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 chop. Everybody's drowsy and they're back at work. That's how we gain experience. I don't know if Uber aiming to cover this gap right here. I'll put two more orders right here. If it shoots back down, hopefully we'll wanted that crate to be a little bit bigger. It'll be a good one right here if it crashes. I like to play these when this one goes way up here to the 200. I start shorting from right here all the way up. If it crashes back, take quick money and get out. That's the main play. But so far, everything is just chop, chop, block, block, boom, boom, nothing, no follow throughs, nothing on this market. Let's see if Senior Goog changed its mind. Yeah, it did. It's still right here, bunch of tails. Let's see. Just couldn't put my stop right here because of the risk. It's ginormous. It is not like nothing. It needs to break this level right here. Even that is just weak. If Fred takes out 1, 2, 3, 4, I might short it to the 20. See the same thing, nothing gets, see how this bar develops. This one right here. There we go, another neutral bar. See, it's all neutral, 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 neutral. This might be promising right here if it closes above this. I don't want to be stuck on this. Just don't like it way too active. I don't know what it looks like. Same thing, I don't know. Nothing here. CMU, SMU, let's look at HUD. I keep pressing HUD and I'm thinking it's a, and then I press MU. MU looks good, guys. Looks like Uber is working. I'm gonna short. So this come this, what is this? 254, 223. I'm gonna short 200 on MU. This is a big bar right here. See if we can get it right to here. MU would be nice. Yeah. I mean, Uber is dropping. I see Uber dropping. Hopefully it'll hit those targets. Make some money today. Even break even is like run away. We could, if this one would work on MU, that would be that would hopefully get our money back off Google. It's about a $2 play, so $400. MU had $30 move yesterday. That was nuts. That was just unbelievable. Every time you would think MU is done, it would just fire back up, fire back up. Just put a stop right here and let it do its thing. I'm gonna take first profit right here. I take it right in the middle between the 8 and the 21. I'll take my profit right here. Let's go back to Uber, see what happened on Uber, if that play developed. Okay, good. I'm hoping it goes down more. It needs to break that 8, but the 8 is hooking up, so hopefully it dumps and retest this area. Right now my chain thesis change on this position, so just gonna put my stop above that bar, because this should have been done fast already. Okay, I'm gonna reduce my position here. It's choppy market. Ooh, golly. I'm gonna take 100 off. Actually kicked me out of the whole position. I was putting my stop and I just sold it. Continue. Watch it dump like magic. Like we win in Uber and we exit and it says zero, no loss, no win, nothing. I just sold it right at break even. You never know, that might happen for a reason, so forget about it. You make a lot of these mistakes in trading. Alright, let's see Hood if it follows through on this play. I think I said MU. Actually, it's Hood. Let's see if Hood follow through and give us something green for the day. Anything. Watch Hood shoots to the moon now. You go left, it goes right. You go right. Look at that. Would you look at that? Just look at it. I'm gonna reverse this position, guys. I think I want to see if it goes up to here. I might reverse it. This big bar should have a follow through. So far, nothing. Might reverse this. Let's see if it's gonna chop right here. See what happened to this bar. Same thing. No follow throughs. Hoping it pulls back and we'll exit the position. We'll do damage control on this play. No, actually, I gotta go to Home Depot, man. Stand out outside, just do labor. Anything, trash, paint. So far, we're taking like $500 losses. Look at Uber, it's shot back. I got lucky. I exit Uber by mistake. Like right underneath the 200. They're just taking. I heard that from an old trader once, and I was talking about it to some other guy that the day after the holiday is like the like big holidays, the market doesn't know what to do. It's just like back and forth, back and forth. Like this one right here, see, like it is shooting up, right? But at least you'd have a little follow through on this bar. Let's see if this bar gonna get filled with red right now. But I will reduce my position if it drops more. That's a solid green bar right there. But it did not take the red yet. See right there, it did not take the red. So this red position might be still powerful. I got my line here, so if it breaks this line, yeah, we're going up. If it doesn't, might go back to that 21 SMA. And if this bar takes out that whole green, this will be like the ultimate play. If this red completely annihilate this green, your target should be this one, or our target should be, like, you know, my target will be right here. It just needs to take it. Anyway, I'm reducing right here, so somewhere here. I'm not taking a chance on this. Might take 100 right here. reduce my risk. The reason being is like it took 80% of that on the 10-minute bar. That green took 80% of the red. So this is very positive. But if we can get some of that money back, and if this play would work out and crashes, yeah, why not? Because like if unless it's choppy and we're seeing it in a different way, like red, green, green, red, red, green. See, if this one takes this red right here, we're gonna reverse it. Actually, like don't even do nothing. It's kind of flat. Like I said, I'm just gonna reduce my risk. I'm just gonna exit one right here. Oh, I should have bought no. Or I'm gonna take it long if it continues. If it breaks this red right here. Yeah. I didn't even do nothing, man. Like the risk on this is very small. Which is it? 119 to 120. Risking 70 cents on this play. Might take it long. If it breaks this right here. What is it? 1950. Might get another 50 cents in. I'm gonna reverse an Uber. I'm gonna take it long. It's gonna be my last trade for the day. See if it shoots to 21. Hopefully gives us a third bar somewhere here. I'm 300 then on over. And add another 100 right here. On hood, sorry, hood. And another 100 to it. Still got a minute to go. If this thing is real, it'll shoot back up. Take that red. Let's go red. Fire up, fire up. I'll pull more. I'll reduce my position here. Alright guys, I'm out. I don't care. Lost 240 here. This thing is kind of choppy, it's flat. No follow throughs, nothing. So we're not gonna, there's no events, nothing that we can see. Let's see MU. MU at the 50%, which is good right here. This is solid right here, I like it. Can take a stab at it fast. I'm gonna short 500 MU. It's a good play. Take 100 off. Come on, MU, go for the gusto. Go for the 8. Go, 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 go. Hard drop. We suffered enough for the day. Here we go. Good, 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 good. Let's go more, 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 baby. Up a little bit more. A bit more, please. Should have a little bit more follow through on MU. I like it. A short again right here. If you have another follow through to here, it would be fantastic. I'm going to short another one right here. I really like this position, guys.
Just need to make $400 and you do your job. Bit more, a bit more. Let's go down and touch that 8. Wow. I don't like that bounce. That was powerful. See now. Come on. More. That's 50%. Take some of my profits out of here, buddy. Give it to us. Oh, they hit those targets. I'm gonna take one here. Where the fuck is this show? Take some of these profits. Come on, baby. There we go. It's taking them. You have to take those two. Take one off. Take those 200 off. Come on. Take one off too here. Okay, sweet. Oh, Alright, so we got back 380 on this play on MU. Not bad. Finally, we got a winner. Let me look at the tally here. Took a lot of losses though. So we're still down $243 for the day. We lost on Google 383, 240 on HUD, and we made 380 on MU, and Uber were broke even. So overall, we're $243 in losses. With this market, that's not bad. We survived it, okay? See, nothing is just like bam, beam, boom, bam, bam, beam. Anyway, guys, we're down 243 for the day. I think we should call it a day. That's good. That's nothing. It's within 1% of the account. So we should preserve that and don't trade at all today. It looks like a crappy day. Nothing is going on. If I were you, I would just, my personal opinion, I'm done for the day. So hope everybody have a good week and you can live to fight another day. Don't take a big loss on any of your trades. And remember, this is a choppy market. And historically, after the holidays, usually the market is kind of crappy the first day after long holiday days. All right, thank everybody for coming in. Enjoy your week. It wasn't a bad day, so 243 down for the day is nothing. We can recover from that. But if we're down 1,000, 2,000, we'll be thinking